In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Google Meet. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can set up your virtual meetings seamlessly and efficiently. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by typing meet.google.com in your web browser's address bar. Once you arrive at the Google Meet homepage, you'll see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on Sign In. Signing in is a crucial step as it allows you to access all the features and functionalities associated with your Google account. Next, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use for this session. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one that best fits your needs for this meeting. After selecting your account, it's time to enter your password. Type your password carefully and then click Next to proceed. This will authenticate your login, enabling you to continue with the scheduling process. Once you're signed in, look for the option that says New Meeting. It's often located right on the home page, making it easy to spot. Click on New Meeting and you'll be presented with a list of options. For this tutorial, we're focused on scheduling a meeting, so choose Schedule in Google Calendar. This will open up your Google Calendar in a new tab or window. Here in Google Calendar, you'll need to enter some critical details about your meeting. Start by giving your meeting a title. This is the name that both you and your guests will see, so make sure it's descriptive enough to convey the purpose of the meeting. Type the title into the labeled field on the calendar event form. After that, it's time to add guests. There's an Add Guests option within the event setup. Click on it and begin typing the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite. As you type, Google Calendar may auto-suggest contacts, making this process even easier. Inviting guests is simple, and it allows them to receive an invitation email containing the meeting details. Once you've named your meeting and added your guests, go ahead and click Save. This action saves your event in Google Calendar. After saving, a notification will ask if you'd like to send invitations to your guests. Click Send to ensure everyone on the guest list receives a notification about the meeting. And there you have it. Your Google Meet is now scheduled and your guests have been invited. By following these steps, you've successfully organized a meeting that can be accessed by everyone invited. Whether it's for work, school, or a casual catch-up, Google Meet makes virtual gatherings simple and effective. So go ahead and give it a try for your next online meeting.